Alrighty, here we are, blessed with an absolutely magnificent morning. I mean, look how glass calm it is out here. Now, I went out yesterday with the intention of doing a little overnight mission, staying on one of the islands, which I was pretty excited about. Spent hours and hours and hours prepping, buying a lot of stuff that I needed, and it started off alright. I was exploring some new areas, found a couple little things, found this cool little this reef that I'd never fished before. Oh, nibs. Oh, it's a trouty. It could be legal. We're a bit blocked there, aren't we? Cute little man. Whoa. Ow. Oh. Look at weight this thing. Hey, trouty boy. There you go. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, another trout, just on, pretty much just under legal. Well, he's just on, but I'll let him go. It's on the 4-inch paddle bait there, still kicking. I'm not even getting to the bottom. Another trout. See ya. Now surely there's no more fish in there. This is something else. What is this? Small trout. I found the nursery, eh? Oh, it's a good stripey. There you go, that's a solid Spanish flag. Not that he's being very photogenic, but they're quite pretty fish when they're not curled up to the ball like that. Oh, straight away, next cast. Oh, get away from that reef. Oh, cranky little man. Trouty boy, trouty boy. So many little trouties here. It's great to see. Oh. A little bit better trout. Call me undersized trout pursuit. Hey? It's not really a catchy name, is it? Undersized trout pursuit. I'll work on that, don't worry. Oh. Bye. Yep. Oh. Go. They're kind of all pretty much just under that legal size. So I was loaded with like heaps of small trout and, you know, other bits and pieces, but very shortly after that, it proper blew up. It got very, very windy, and I kind of had to bail on my plans of staying at the islands. I'm lucky I left when I did, because it would have got a lot worse fairly quickly. Whoa! Woo! Oh, big one here. Whoa! So yeah, it never looks as bad on camera to what it actually is, but it was pretty disgusting out there. I got very, very wet. Now, today, I didn't want to deal with any of that nonsense anymore, so I've come out in the dam, somewhere I haven't been for a good, it's probably been about 4 or 5 months, I'd say, since the last time I came in here. So I'm pretty excited. Things have changed a little bit, obviously, with the water levels and that kind of thing. If you haven't seen a video out on the dam before, it's pretty much a stocked lake or impoundment filled with barramundi, and basically what we're going to be doing for the most part is, so we're basically just searching through weed flats and in the back of bays of the dam and that kind of thing, in shallow water, looking for these barramundi, physically spotting them, swimming along, and pitching a cast to them. So full sight cast. So I'll run you through exactly what I'm doing in just a second. You'll see a bit better once the sun's up, but we got this weed flat that pushes all the way through here, and just kind of cruising with the electric motor up along the edge of it, trying to spot any fish. They might be tailing or finning, or I might see the a boil or wake from the fish while the sun's low. But once the sun gets up and over the mountain there, we'll be able to see a lot better. You guys will be able to see this kind of weed much better. So I got a couple lures tied on. I only brought 2 rods with me today. So this one you guys would have seen before if you watched a few videos. It's a 95mm flick prawn in a lightweighted version, so it's a slow sinking, prawn, shrimp imitation. Works really well when you need to sink it down to the fish. And on the other rod, I got a frog tied on, so when the fish are in that thick weed or up on the top in the back where you can't really sink the lure to, the frog works really good for that bit of top water action. But yeah, basically just cruising along, trying to find some fish. Just spotted one. He's kind of finning just up here, cruising along right on top of the weed up here. You probably won't be able to see him with the wide angle of the GoPro, but hopefully we'll be able to get a shot at him. He's just going into the weed. Can't see him anymore. Far out, that's him just here. Can't see, he's right in the glare of the sun. Right, we've got one tailing just in front of us here. See if we can get a good cast on him. Just go past him a fair bit. No, he didn't see it. Yep. No. There he goes. He's waking up. He's not in the best condition, this fish, but he's doing a little bit of fighting. Why is he fighting now? Kind of just wanted to grab him. Oh my god, I just net him. Bloody hell. Why do they gotta be like this? There we go. First one for the day. Well over that meter mark. See, he's inhaled the flick prawn there. It's a good start. The reason why I said oh no at the start is because I didn't think he was going to fight. He's not in the best conditions, so he's quite a long fish though, like big paddler on him. Whew. It's cool. Oh, prawny out. There he goes. There we go, one on the board. Yeah, that's basically what we're doing. I saw that fish, he had his tail up in the air, just wagging. I couldn't actually see his tail at first, I just saw the boil on the surface. And then as I got closer, I could see him pitch to cast. He had his head down, so pitched to cast past him, not far in front of his face, let it sink down, and then kind of twitched it a couple times once it was in front of his face. He followed it out, kind of teased him away, and then ended up getting him to eat, which is pretty cool. Yeah, we're just out here to have a good time today, so we'll see. It's only early days, only been out here for maybe half an hour to an hour, so we'll see if we can get another couple. One thing that happens a bit when you're barra fishing, I know I've mentioned in other videos, but for people who haven't seen, your leader gets really frayed up by like this sandpaper type mouse. So it's chafed up to about there because he ate it proper. It's just going to snip that off, retie, just so you don't have a chance of a fish wearing through the leader and losing it. Very important if you ever get into barra fishing or want to do barra fishing at some point, just to be cautious of that. If you've caught a fish, just check your leader. Oh, and obviously, yeah, you want to use heavier leader as well. Like this is like 80 pound mono leader that I'm using at the moment. So still it's heavy-ish leader, but like still fairly light tackle. This is a 12 to 20 pound rod, 4,000 size spin reel, 30 pound braid. So not heavy tackle or anything, but you do need that heavy leader. All right, we haven't seen a fish for a solid hour or so, so I'm gonna make a move, different part of the dam. Let's see if we can find some other fish. All right, sometimes I get a little bit lost when I haven't been here for a while, but I think I found where I wanted to start. Not 100% still. Got a baby one right here. No, why's he gotta be like that? Oh, there's another one cruising across this weed flat. Turn on your side for me. No way, he's spooked. Whoa! Bye! I thought it might have been you pulling into the bay out. I was like, I swear Brooksy's boat wasn't black, but then I remembered it was.
Are you kidding?
Oh, looking at it.
Whoa! Oh, it's drenched. I was like, no way he's not going to see that, man.
Oh, hey.
No, man.
Just come to Sometimes you see schools of like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Really. Same deal.
Oh, get him! Oh, Bolly! I saw get him, balls!
No!
Oh, you're cool.
He's around the tree.
Oh, he's over here, balls.
I'm trying to go through. Got him. Oh!
He's way. Oh! He's way over here.
I got shit.
There he is.
Oh, my GoPro's about to hit the tree.
Oh, I'm gonna go around you.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Fiery little fellas.
Get out of that weed.
You get him, balls.
Oh, he's in the weed.
I'm gonna come round you and then little leapfrog. How's the double eat on him?
He was trying to get it. Oh. Jesus. The little ones fly harder than the big ones. He's a baby. That was so funny. He was looking for it so hard. Look at me, just net and everything. Hoi. Got him. They're thick, eh?
Oh, got one here, balls.
Big or?
He's definitely better.
Get him.
Oh, I didn't even see
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh, there's more. There's like 5 of them.
Ow. There we go. Nice little barra there. Like, it'd be like mid 60s kind of thing on the flick prawn. There's heaps of little ones in here at the moment.
I want the bigger one.
Oh, we'll get him back quickly. It's really cool though.
Oh!
Matt's hooked up in the background. No way. See, matey. Oh, very feisty. Oh, I just spooked like 2 over here. What's happening? Oh, yeah, right here. Literally straight away. Oh, he's gonna oh. Come on. Eat it. He's just following it. What are you doing? Oh. He just followed that for like an hour and didn't eat it. What are these things, bud? Oh, there's one right here. Oh. No way. There was no way I could cast at him. He's sitting in the little shadow line of this tree. Oh, no way. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get him.
There's like 3. They're like... Oh, he tried to eat it twice. He was like almost too small to eat it. It's like 3 40-centimeter ones. He like bopped it twice. I can't see him yet. I'm like in direct sun.
Can't see him. He's sitting on. See that Swede in front of you?
That one?
This Swede?
This weed.
Yeah, he's like on the tip of it. He's not bad. He'll definitely eat.
I just got the bit of a glare there.
He's sitting facing towards you, like straight towards you. Right on the tip of the weed.
I'll go off. Oh yeah, he's just about to come out of the glare, I think. He's still there? Oh yeah, I see him. I seize him.
Get him on.
Oh, surely he sees that. Yeah, here he comes. Go, please.
What was that? He just slurped.
He just slurped it and spat it back out. I might get him again. Please. He's looking at it.
What was that eat?
He just go. The full follow Bowie on the surface. I was like, he's gonna annihilate this, and then just. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Oh, please. No. Please. Yep. I'm having so much fun.
Righty.
Yeah.
Pretty cold.
That's what I like to hear. Yeah. Hey. Are these twists? No. Bad bitch. That's a bad bitch.
What?
Oh yeah. Not bloody bad. Can't complain. I'm just gonna make a move. Gonna try and find some bigger fish. Had a lot of fun though. That was pretty cool. I've never seen that in here before. Just goes to show how the stocking programs that they're doing is actually working, and the young fish that they're putting in are maturing and growing. It's great to see. It's great for the future of the dam. But yeah, we're gonna move, try find some bigger fish. Alrighty, new zone. Oh, haven't fished around here for a very long time, but it's nice kind of conditions we've got today. So usually this time of day here is pretty rank because it's windy, but it's nice today. Big one right in front of me. Hopefully he doesn't see me. Oh, yes! Woo! He's about to go mental. I had my beer in my hand. I had to like take my beer out of my hand. He's in much better condition. Oh, come on up. No, don't go in that weed, buddy. Nope. Oh, under the boat. Come on, this way. Why? Oh, he's trying to bury me in that weed. And trying to go under the boat. Wow. Oh, he's in a bit of weed there. Try and motor us out. Oh. Whew. A little bit of a battle there. Oh, it's not over. Can you just come up for a second so I can net you, mate? Really appreciate that. There we go. Woo! Trying to flip. There we go. Oh. There we go. Not bad. Alrighty, there we go. Much more solid fish there. Just under that meter mark. And super cool eat. Like I said earlier, it's all visual fishing. I was just cruising along the edge of this weed flat and he was just sitting there like a little log suspended in the water. Really cool. And the same lure I've been using all morning, 95mm flick prawn. It just works so well, lightly weighted, just slow sink, twitch it in their face. Whew. Oh, we'll get him back. There he goes. Well, it's a bloody, absolutely scorching day. It's extremely hot out here. Not a breath of wind, but I wouldn't have it any other way. Proper glass out, catching barra, drinking beers. We might keep cruising along this little weed flat down here and see if we can find another one. Why not? It's not even lunchtime yet. I was lucky to get that fishing away. Super clear water. Super calm, you can spook him easily. And he was kind of just sitting there and I had my bloody beer in my hand like this, rod in the other. Had to like turn the electric off, put my beer down. I had to press record on my head. A lot was going on, but we got it done. I just changed colour as well on the prawn. It's got the banana prawn colour here. Had to retie anyway because of the because my leader was a bit chafed from that fish. So just thought I'd chuck that on, try it out. I think it'll work even better with this watercolor because it's nice and clear. It looks super natural. We just had one come up on the surface just here and kind of turn and show his sides, so hopefully he still sticks around. I can't spot him right now. Oh yeah, there he is. I see him. Well, I'm not sure if that's him actually. It might be a different fish. Oh, he's got his head buried in the weed. It's not going to be the easiest to get him to look at the lure. Give it a crack though. Just casted way past him. And I gotta let my lure sink down next to the... Oh, he's turned. I get another cast in quickly before he notices. Oh, I just spooked another one. Alright, sink that down to him. Oh, he sees it! Yes! Oh! Oh no! He's just sitting there. Oh my god. No. Oh, no way! No way! Oh, he ate it and spat it out the first time. Oh my God. And then he was just sitting at the boat lost. No way. Oh my God. That was insane. That was proper insane. I've never seen that before. He's literally 1 millimeter from the boat. Send it. Ah! Oh shit, it's trying to bury me in the weed. Come out of there, buddy. That was epic. Which, when I landed that second cast as well, I spooked another one. That might have been the first one we saw, the one that we just spooked. Because I don't think this guy was him. Wow, that was really cool. Oh! There we go. Whoa! There we go, 1 meter on the dot. Whew. There we go, 1 meter on the dot. On the flick prawn there, completely smoked it. As you saw, ate it, came out of his mouth, and he was just sitting there like, where the hell is it? Literally dropped it back in front of his face and he ate it pretty much with his nose touching the boat. It was pretty wild. Pretty epic though. There he goes. Well, I hope you guys would have been able to see that on camera, because that was so cool. You might not have been, but to eat it right at the boat, spit it out, and then just sit there. Like the boat's literally right next to me, and you just sat there, and I just literally plopped my lure back in the water, dragged it in front of his face, and then he ate it again. It's pretty epic. Well, we're getting to it's about lunchtime now, and I'm actually getting quite hungry, quite thirsty. Might swing by Matt. I know where he is. Might swing by him, have a chat to him. But pretty much going to call it a day here on the fishing side. So just going to weasel my way out of this weed here. But it's a pretty cool day. You can't complain. And it was good to just get away from doing jumps and getting wet out in the salt water, come in the fresh water in the dam to a proper glass out day. And we just had proper crystal clear water, as you've seen. Sight casting barra. It actually doesn't get too much better than that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyway. I'll see you next time. Peace.